Are you ready to elevate your expertise in polymer engineering and unlock the full potential of polyolefin grafting? Whether you're an R&D professional, a process engineer, or a polymer scientist, this expert-led online training is your gateway to mastering one of the most transformative techniques in modern material science. Polyolefin grafting, using agents like maleic anhydride, is revolutionizing industries by enhancing the compatibility, adhesion, and functionality of polymers like polypropylene, polyethylene, and ethylene-vinyl acetate. From polymer blends and composites to adhesives and coatings, grafting is the key to creating advanced materials that meet today's demanding performance and sustainability standards. But here's the catch. Grafting is as much an art as it is a science. The choice of initiators, reaction conditions, and process design can make or break your results. That's where our training comes in. This isn't just another online training, it's a must-have, training designed to empower you with actionable knowledge. Here's what you'll gain. First of all, understand free radical chemistry, choose the right initiators, and optimize reaction conditions for maximum efficiency. You will also learn how to design screws, control melt viscosity, and prevent gel formation for seamless scalability. Expert will also guide you to troubleshoot common grafting issues like uneven MAH content and gel formation, ensuring consistent product quality. Also learn to customize grafted polymers to meet your unique performance requirements in blends, adhesives, and coatings. Last but not the least, gain critical insights into safe handling practices and environmental considerations to protect your team. This training is a must for R&D professionals, polymer scientists, process engineers, quality control managers, and students. You'll get expert-led insights, actionable knowledge, and confidence to master polymer grafting. Don't miss out. Register now. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com.